So, hello everyone. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the number of coronavirus cases country-wise or the amount of total number of recovered and active cases country-wise and total number by using Python. So, let's get started. First, go to command prompt and type pip install COVID. So, I've already installed over here. So, format will come requirement satisfied. So, after installing that library, next you need to go to your Jupyter notebook or any other from COVID small c import capital C COVID. So you better be careful with the caps letters. Next, you're going to just create an object COVID equal to capital COVID and just open bracket. So next thing is the cases. So it will return a dictionary basically. So cases equal to COVID dot get underscore status underscore by country name. Country name be US. Next, just print the cases. Okay, let me run it. So you can see here, very good. Is got the ID of the country, country name, confirmed cases, active deaths recovered, latitude, longitude, and last updated time. So in order to print it in much a more standard way, for X in cases, put a tab, and it will be X comma cases. Okay, in the square bracket. I think this will do. So you can see here in our way ID country. Okay, you can also find any other countries. It will be India. So okay, that's pretty good. So to know more about this, just go to Google and type pip install COVID or just COVID Python. You will go to the first link, pip install COVID 2.3.0. That's the package that they're having. So you can see here requirements and installation. That's what we did at first. And that's how many things to get all data. Also, there's an option COVID.get data of all countries and the result. This is what I did. Get COVID by country name. So active cases, recovered deaths. So this is a very actually very much useful package as it can be used for creating websites regarding coronavirus or any app. It will be very much useful for you to get it already is updated. So that's it. Thanks for watching and kindly subscribe and support.